Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all how you can style your sari and how to make your blouse at home without cutting, sewing or doing anything. It's very easy and you'll get different traditional looks with just one or two sari and blouse. It's very unique and amazing. So do watch this video till the very end. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get started.
First, you need a pleated skirt like this, which has a little bit of flares in it. If you do not have also, it's okay. You can use a simple normal skirt. And here we need a sari. So I'm using this pink simple sari here. You can use whichever sari you have. And you're going to start by tucking in the sari. See the length according to your height and everything. You can adjust it. So you start tucking it and then place on the next pleat. So you can see we are doing small and thin pleats. It should be little together, and according to your waist size also you can adjust it, because if your waist size is too small you can make more pleats. If it's little more big you can make less pleats. So I'm just pleating and showing you a little fast so that you can see the whole look how I do it. So at least make it a little uniform. That's enough. You don't have to be perfect in this, but this is an amazing way to transform your sari into a beautiful flared skirt. So you will just see in the end how beautiful it looks. So just going on pleating like this till the next front from where we started till there it should come properly. So you can see me pleating how I'm doing this. You no need anyone's help, but still if you want you can take. So this is the final look. It looks very gorgeous and beautiful. It looks a little more fluffy and a very nice skirt. You can use this as a lehenga skirt too. So it's an amazing sari converted into a skirt. So this is hack number 1. I hope you really enjoyed it. And let's move on to hack number 2. So for this you're going to wear a kurti top. I'm sure this is only looks really great, but this is not the hack. You're just going to catch the kurti ends, that is the front end and the back end as I'm showing in the video, and then catch the two ends and tie a knot together. Make sure to make it even in the front and back, and then tie this together a little tightly. And then you can pull down if you want to cover your full waist, and you can even tuck it in your skirt however you feel you can do it. So I'm just tying it like this and then pulling and adjusting. Adjusting is very important, otherwise it will look a little wrinkled and stuff like that. So once you pull it nicely, you can leave it or you can tuck it like I've shown. This is the end result. It looks gorgeous and looks like a lehenga attached, or a frock you can say. Looks gorgeous. So this is a new and different method to convert a kurti into a top and hold together a frock. It looks really great, so you can wear it for any party or anything, and definitely you're gonna love it. So let's move on to the third hack, which is also a very interesting hack. So using the same top, you can use whichever matches with your sari, and then take the front end portion and pass it above and bring it through the neck. So where the neck of the kurti starts, you're going to pass it from there as you can see in the video, and you're going to pull out the excess. So this is how it's going to look. It looks very gorgeous. It looks like a blouse and looks very nice. If you're not comfortable in showing your waist or something like that, you can definitely use a dupatta like this. This is a netted dupatta which I got along with my lehenga. Anything which suits your dress will go if you apply like that. So now we are in hack number 4. If you can see, both the things are literally blending. That is a pink blouse and the pink skirt. So we are going to do a very genius and intelligent hack here. You're going to take any dupatta here, your mother's, yours. Definitely you're going to have a nice designer dupatta. Just going to take the dupatta and tuck its one end like exactly near your stomach, the tip, and then adjust it really well and bring the other side and put it on your shoulder. So this is going to create a nice half sari effect and gives a very nice gorgeous instant traditional look, and I really love the way it came out. Trust me, you can wear this for any party or function outside and definitely it will look gorgeous. So at home itself you made your DIY half sari which looks gorgeous. Nowadays we do not get like this beautiful sari, so definitely you can try this hack out if you're beginners and you want to try on half saris, and then just adjust it on top however you like. And this is the final look. It looks gorgeous, isn't it? So definitely try it out and let me know. So now if you do not want to wear it like that, also you can put it in this Marwadi kind of style. I think Marwadis do this style generally and looks really great in this. So you can always wear a contrasting dupatta which will look really great on such dresses, and you can just pleat it from front and tuck the remaining behind. That's it. It'll look gorgeous. We are in the next and final hack here. This is one of my favorite and looks completely gorgeous. So I'm using the same dupatta here and folding it into 3 and making it like a small part. We're going to make a blouse out of it, and trust me, this is my favorite hack. So you're going to put it around your bust area, and how much ever you like, you can make the length and adjust it accordingly, and then pull it from back and then again from front. That is, you're going to crisscross it and do, I hope you can see it really clearly and you can understand very well. Adjust it according to your comfortable level and then tie a knot in the center just to secure it, and that will create a nice effect too. If you want, you can leave that knot as it is, or I just tucked it in to get a perfect clean effect. And then I went and quickly removed my pink blouse and I paired it up with a jacket. It looks super amazing, like an Indo-Western look, and gives a very very nice classy look. Trust me, if you're a really stylish person and you would love carrying such things, definitely this will suit you, and definitely try this out and let me know in the comment.
That's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I too really enjoyed while making this video. All the looks came out superb and it was really amazing. You can have different traditional attires with the same sari. So I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for, and click on the notification bell to get all my notifications. Do share it with your friends and family if you think this video is really great for them too. And yes, do check out my Instagram handle to see more such reels on this look, and definitely you're going to love them. And I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe. Bye.